Clap for the sister. Please clap.
अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। मत पूछिए कि क्या है, मत पूछिए कि क्या है, सरकार की गली में एक जश्न सा बपा है, एक जश्न सा बपा है, सरकार की गली में। मत पूछिए कि क्या है, सरकार की गली में एक जश्न सा बपा है, सरकार की गली में। लुत्फ़ो अता से उस पर बरसात हो गई है, जो शख्स आ गया है, सरकार की गली में। होता है दिल मुनव्वर ताबानियों से जिसकी, होता है दिल मुनव्वर ताबानियों से जिसकी, जलवों की वो फ़ज़ा है, जलवों की वो फ़ज़ा है, सरकार की गली में। आने को आ गए हैं घर पर ज़रूर, लेकिन आने को आ गए हैं घर पर ज़रूर, लेकिन दिल अपना रह गया है, दिल अपना रह गया है, सरकार की गली में। मत पूछिए कि क्या है, सरकार की गली में। अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।
Jazakallah. Thank you so much, sister, for your wonderful voice. Now I would like to invite Sister Labiba. Please come and introduce Idara Adbul Atfal and the magazine. She will give the introduction about the magazine, कि ये हमारा जो मंथली रिसाला है उसके बारे में लबीबा आकर हमको चंद अल्फाजों में बताएंगी। प्लीज कम लबीबा।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and a very pleasant afternoon to one and all present over here. I am Labiba Siddiqui, and today I am here to share the program we have created to develop and support the children in every area of their growth. Duty Care is an after-school tutoring program for holistic development of the children. Do you wish to see your child succeed at school? Do they have concentration issues? Get your ward's admission in Duty Care. The basic skill of root gaining knowledge is our literacy skills and numeracy skills. Now you would wonder that what are literacy skills and what are numeracy skills? Can anyone from the audience answer me that what are literacy skills and what are numeracy skills? No one. Literacy skills means the ability to read, write, understand and communicate. Meanwhile, numeracy skills means the ability to work with numbers and solve mathematical problems. If your child is weak in these skills, he or she would fail to gain knowledge in other subjects too. But if your ward is strengthened and developed in these skills, then all other future lifelong learning will become easier, faster, more enjoyable and more individualized. After school hours, children do not get proper time and proper space for formal sports and physical activities, due to which they lag behind in physical and mental health and get addicted to mobile phones. That results in loss of concentration in studies. Duty Care has a systematic, scientific and psychological training schedule to develop your child in literacy skills, numeracy skills, soft skills and psychomotor skills with the adornment of Islamic mentality and Dini knowledge. Duty Care is a program for classes 1 to 7 which includes sports session, life skills session and academic session. Sports and life skills session is from 4:30 p.m. till Maghrib. Students are trained in agility and psychomotor games that help to improve them physically, mentally and psychologically. Life skills session. Students are trained in soft and hard life skills for their personality development. In the light of Riyadh Salihin, with the help of activities and PowerPoint presentations. Academic session is from Maghrib to Isha, which includes homework. Students are assisted to complete their daily homework. English literacy skills. Students are helped to develop their English literacy skills, which includes listening, speaking, reading, writing, and grammar, with the help of tools like interactive digital loop, specially designed for developing communication skills in British accent integrated with Islamic mentality. Reading Loop, a phonology-based reading program to build a solid foundation in reading, writing, and listening. Now we come to the numeracy skills. Students are trained to develop their numeracy skills, which includes arithmetic, logical problem solving, logical thinking, and counting, with the help of the tool like Wisdom Math Kit, a special math kit designed in CPM method, concrete, pastoral plus abstract method for developing life skills. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Thank you so much, Laiba, for your wonderful words and thoughts. इल्म की जुस्तजू सिर्फ एक रिसाला नहीं, ये ईमान है, अखलाक और इल्म का तोहफा है। इसका हर शुमारा एक चिराग है जो घरों में रोशनी और दिलों में ईमान पैदा करेगा इंशाअल्लाह। हमारा ये प्रोग्राम बहुत मुख्तसर वक्त के लिए है, इसलिए मैं बगैर किसी ताख़ीर के दावत देती हूँ हमारे इदारा अदब उल लत्फ़ाफ़ से बेपनाह ताल्लुक़ रखने वाली हमारे इस रिसाले इल्म की जुस्तजू की एडिटर और हाशमी लॉ कॉलेज की प्रिंसिपल, इस जलसे की सदर मोहतरमा डॉक्टर राना परवीन साहिबा को कि वो खुतबा सदारत पेश फरमाएं। प्लीज वेलकम डॉक्टर राना परवीन मैम।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।